It's time for the June high-end RC Explosion box. Typically, these are going to have 4 to 6 higher-end packs to provide us some really fun rookie and prospect chases. I'm excited to see what we're going to find in here. I really appreciate you coming along for the journey. This is Tommy's Breaks. Okay, here we go. If this is your first visit to the channel, or you haven't yet already, consider hitting that subscribe button. I really appreciate that support. Here's our V6 of the high-end RCEB. 2008 Topps Chrome, 2010 Bowman Draft, 2012 Finest, 2022 First Edition, and a 2022 Bowman Jumbo. All right, let's see what we've got. I will clean this up and I'll be right back. All right, here we are. Looks like we've got a 2019 silver pack, little bonus. We'll save that. And let's run right through these in our order they're laid in. 2008. So here we're looking for Kershaw and Scherzer. And anybody else that might be cool to find. Dan Heron. Clay Hensley. Brett Tomko. Chad Muller. Chris Davis. Josh Banks. Ben Zobrist. Robinson Tejada. Dallas Braden. We got a year in review of Granderson. Goes 2020.
Get on base.
Well, Curtis Granderson has had a phenomenal year. 36 doubles, 22 triples. He has 23 stolen bases. He has had a great year. There's no doubt.
And the students should work hard and get cards, says David Wright. Top of the class. Let's jump into our... This is the 2010 Bowman Draft. And we're going to potentially see the likes of Fernando and Machado, Buster Posey, Christian Yelich, Giancarlo Stanton. These are going to be a little tough to read, I guess. Trevor Plouffe.
Out toward right center field. Bellinger going back. He'll just watch. It is gone! Trevor Plouffe has walked it off here in the bottom of the 16th inning.
John Hester. Steve Tolleson on the Chrome. It's kind of a cool card. Is it numbered? Looks like it's not. Sammy Tavalia, I guess. I totally butchered that, I'm sure. Jake Lemmerman, Nick Chaviaso on the first, and Cody Hahn on the first. All right, next up, we've got some 2012 Finest. So I think it's like 1 in 6 packs or so. We're gonna have autos in this. Oh, I don't know. We might have something in there. Let's go Freeze. Carlos Gonzalez. Ryan Braun. It looks like it's just a probably an insert of sorts, maybe. Dan Ugla. These are really nice cards. So we got Michael Young on
0-2. And another slow roller. Third base, Chisenhall, not in time. There's number 2,000 for Michael Young.
Whatever you were calling this at the time. sort of refractor of sorts. Prism. 2022 first edition. We're looking for those first Bowman first editions. The parallels would be good. Got a Cespedes. Foil of Alexander Ramirez. Eduardo Lopez first.
The pitcher. Here's a fly ball, well hit right field by De La Cruz. That's got a chance. Way back. It is gone. Home run, De La Cruz. Tie ball game.
Ellie De La Cruz first. Ian Lewis first. Irabel. Yeah. Oswaldo Cabrera. Edie's Leonard. Hernandez and Carlos Aguilar. A couple of decent firsts in there. Let's see if we can find something exciting out of our Bowman Jumbo. Bunch of shiny stuff. Try to save that for the end. Okay. Backstrom on the first. Jay Allen, Luca Tresh. I've seen him a lot in this Bowman product. Sosa, Labrada, Montero, Dustin Harris, Bobby Martin Jr., Jose Salas, Elijah Tatis, Joe Adell, Yachty, DeGrom, Corey Seager, Dupa, as they would say up north, Brian De La Cruz, Bruhan.
Hey, Johnny, how about a beer, huh?
Seth Beer. Duran. Look at the nice pile of rookies in here. Muller. Spencer Strider. Shohei. And a JD Martinez. All right, let's see what our Chromes have to offer here. The Francisco Lindor. Cool Henry Davis on the Vibrations, Virtuoso Vibrations. Luca Tresh. I was just saying a while ago, I've been seeing this guy a lot. I mean, he was almost 500th in round 17 of 2021. So I hope big things for you, Luca.
Hey, you're my man. Go get him, kid.
You got something to pop up there. Nice Riley Green. Cuero. Serta. Fataya, Emmanuel Rodriguez, and Luis Matos. Well, we managed a hit out of the jumbo. That's pretty good. Let's see if our silver pack can offer us anything exciting. 2019, there were a lot of cool potential cards you could get in here. I think we're all base. Let's see, we got Bagwell, Caron, Mike Trout, and Walker Buehler. So aside from our Luca Tresh auto out of the jumbo of Bowman, wasn't a whole lot happening in this box. Kind of goes to show you, I mean, you know, it's not going to happen for you every time.
Hit. It's about how hard you can get hit and keep moving forward. How much you can take and keep moving forward. That's how winning is done.
But I enjoyed the rip. I opened some products this time that I haven't ever opened before in my life. Super cool. And we did end up with a nice little pile of rookies and some prospects. And I enjoyed doing it. If you enjoyed the break, please hit that thumbs up. And if you haven't yet already, consider subscribing to the channel. Greatly appreciate that support. This is Tommy. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.